Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing Mielle Organics' new rice water clay mask. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I use the Mongogo oil exfoliating shampoo. This rice water clay mask is a dual purpose mask. It is the perfect detoxifier for the hair and the body. It is designed to detoxify by removing impurities while depositing moisture back into the hair and into the skin. The mask has a very nice fresh smell, and it is very thick and creamy, and as you can see from my face, it felt really good going onto my hair strands. So my first impression of the mask is that it is very moisturizing and it has a decent amount of slip. As you can see here, the mask is giving me a little bit of curl poppage. So as I stated before, this is a dual purpose mask. So not only am I going to treat my hair, but I'm going to do a face mask with it as well. So my first impression of applying the mask to my face is that it definitely gives you a tingling sensation, which lets me know that something is working. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm loving this 2-for-1. Face mask, hair mask, yes, all in one. So I let the mask sit on for about 15 minutes and then I rinsed it off with warm water. I can definitely say that after rinsing the mask off, my skin felt very soft and moisturized. Now I let the mask sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, so I am in the shower so that I can rinse it out. So first I'm starting by just taking down those twists, and then I'm going to run my hair under the water and see what it's feeling like. So you can really tell whether a deep conditioner worked once you rinse your hair out, and as you can see from the look on my face, my hair felt amazing. The slip was there, it's moisturized. Definitely loving this mask. So my final thoughts on the new Mielle Rice Water Clay Mask is that I am loving this mask. Now this is only my first use of the mask. I did use it on my hair and skin, but I'm definitely loving it so far. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.